What's up guys, it's Erin, and right now I really hope that you guys are watching a completed video that I made over the course of 3 days, because if not, I'm going to be very mad at myself. So basically, I struggle with my weight a lot and I overeat a lot, and I think I overeat because I'm always really bored and because I overeat because I'm like really depressed. And my weight is just something that has always really bothered me. I did a really hard sport, rowing, a few months ago, and the last time that I worked out was December 14th and it is now July 25th. I went on a walk a few days ago, but that was about it. Like, I have a gym membership and everything, but I haven't ever used it, and I just really want to get in shape and lose a lot of weight because I'm around like pounds and I really don't like that number, and I'm probably gonna bleep it out because I don't feel comfortable and I don't like how I look in anything that I wear. So I'm making this video because I want to start getting in shape and just start working out these next 3 days. I'm making this video because I really want to have something that I can like show myself, and I want to have something that will keep me motivated because I'm going to upload this video on Sunday, and if I don't work out then I will have no video on Sunday and that would be horrible. So I'm just really going to try to work out all these next 3 days and then hopefully continue after that, because I really want to be confident and comfortable with my body, because right now I am not. So this is a really long intro. It's pretty much the length of a normal video, but let's just get started. Hello! So I just got home from work literally not even less than a minute ago. I'm just gonna have you sit there. Lighting, yikes. But I have like my workout outfit picked out and I'm literally still like, there's my name tag, don't want you to see where I work. I really don't want to go to the gym, and I honestly can't believe that I'm actually even changing into workout clothes and like my car is parked outside. I can't believe I'm actually doing this. Like, I'm actually really proud of myself. And this video is a really good way to motivate me. My bed's not made, so ignore that. But so I'm currently in my sports bra, so it's fine. But I'm gonna be wearing like this tank top and then these black shorts because it is 93 degrees out. I'm not in the mood to overheat. But this shirt's like a shirt from Nike, but it has like a bra on it, so it makes it super tight around my chest. And I'm not one who can wear a sew-in bra, especially since I'm gonna be running, so no thank you. Okay, so my room's a mess. I don't really exactly, just ignore the mess. This is my outfit. I'm just wearing this shirt from Nike, and also I'm sucking into the gods. But yes, I'm extremely like overweight, so we don't need to talk about that. And I'm just wearing these like Reebok shorts. And I feel super fat in this outfit, but like it's fine. And then I'm just gonna wear my AirPods. And I want my hair to be up all the way, so I'm gonna do that right now because it's not fun when I'm running and my hair is like hitting me all up in my face. And I will see you guys at the gym, maybe, if I decide to make a video. If I record anything, it'll be on my phone, by the way, so. Okay, so I just got to the gym. I still need to remove some of my makeup. But I'm like, I don't know why, but I'm like really nervous. I like never go to gyms, and like I just don't like the idea of other people like watching me work out. So I don't know. I'm like high-key scared. But it's fine. I will update you guys. So Okay, so I just finished my first workout. So it's 3:23 p.m. and honestly I don't remember what time I got here. I think I got here at 2 something. I really hope I was there for an hour. If not, I'm gonna be mad. But I did 20 minutes of cardio. So I went on the ellipticals first, and that was the very first thing I did. I just like went like at a high intensity for 10 minutes, and then I had like a 4-minute cool down where I didn't really cool down. I just like continued, and I didn't feel like, I don't know why, but I'm so red, but I don't know why, but I didn't take a photo of how many calories I burned and like my workout summary. So I don't know, it was over 100, over 80 I think, I'm not sure. But then after that I wanted to do a little like, I was gonna do like a leg day, but I didn't really like that because like my shorts were like riding up, so you could see like up my shorts and like see everything. So I wasn't really a fan of that, so I just made it arm day. But then I felt like I didn't do enough, so then I went back upstairs and I ran for 10 minutes. Now I'm going to head home. That was my very first day of working out. Tomorrow I'm gonna come here at like 7 a.m. and hopefully I'm probably gonna run and use a bicycle or something, or stair climbers, and then I'm gonna focus on my legs, I think. I don't know, we'll see. Okay, well, first day done. I'm really proud of myself, so. Hello guys, so it's day 3 of working out and I'm really tired today. I also have to work like an almost 9-hour shift, so like I love that for me. But it's like 7, almost 8 a.m. and I'm getting ready to go to the gym, and today is gonna be my ab day. So I think I'm gonna start off on the Stairmaster, Climb Master, whatever it's called, which is so hard, but I'm gonna do it for 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna do like a lot of ab machines that they have, which I don't think is a lot. They have like this torso machine, but like I don't know, so I might just go take a different room and work out. But also tomorrow I have like a 9 a.m. to 4:15 shift, so I don't know when I'm gonna work out for that one, because it was like rush hour at 4:15 to 5, and that's when everyone's at the gym, so I don't know. And I kind of want to work out like every single day, but if not, then tomorrow's Sunday, so Sunday will be my break, like my day off, or I might just like do something at home, I don't know. But I really want to go to the gym. I don't want to wake up extremely early because I have to go to work at 9, and I'm not waking up at 5 a.m. so I don't know. But yeah, I'm just gonna get ready and then I'll update you guys after my workout. Bye. So I look like a mess, and so is the background of my video. I just got home from the gym. I just showered and everything, and that was my 3rd day of working out, and I think that was my 3rd day. Yeah, it was. So that was like my 3rd day of working out, and I'm really proud of like what I've done. Today what I did is I did like an ab day. So I started by going on the stair climber thingy, the Stairmaster, which was so hard, and that thing really kicks your butt, but like it's good. So I did that for 10 minutes, and then I wanted to do some ab workouts, and then after I did the Stairmaster, I went over to the ab circuit area in my gym, and the first thing that I did was I went those like torso twist things. So I just twisted around, and then I went to the next machine where like you go for it and then pull it back, so like it's like kind of like a crunch, but like not really, like because you're not sitting up all the way, but like it's like a machine where you just like go forward and back and use your abs to like do that. And then I did the back expander machine, which is where like you have it and like your knees are a little bit, and then you go back and then forward, and that works your back. And then I just did each machine for 10 minutes, and I have to go to work soon, and that's why I look like hideous and I'm about to get ready for work. So I only got to do like the circuit once,
And I feel like I didn't do enough, so then I went on the treadmill and I ran for 14 minutes. Usually I would do like 10, but I ran for 14, and according to the treadmill I like burned like almost 200 calories. I have like a video of like that. I meant to take a video of like the machines that I use for my abs, but everyone was using them, so I didn't do that. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed that video of me trying to get back into shape, and I think I'm doing a really good job, honestly. Like, it's only been 3 days, so I haven't really noticed like a difference in my body. I have been eating differently, and I really want to get in shape because if I hit my goal weight, then I'm going to a special place. I'm really excited, and I just really want to keep working out almost every single day. I might have like a 1 day off, so I might work out 6 times a week. But I'm really like proud of like what I've done so far, because and like I've been going to, like, with my family has been getting involved as well, and I don't know, it's like a really good time. I feel really good, so I need to go get ready for work now. But if you guys like this video, please make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. And also, if you want to see more videos of me like working out and getting into shape, let me know. I won't do them like anytime soon, since I'm not really like, I don't really want to like show my body, but maybe once I get more into the routine of things, I can make a video about that. And now I'm already gonna do like a before and after video and like talk about like my weight loss, and that's like my goal, to end up making one of those videos and just be so like happy in my body. So I'm really hoping that I can do that. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I love you so much, and I'll talk to you guys on Wednesday. Bye!